Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to blend images in Canva. So let's assume you already okay, let me just go over it again. So let's assume you're on Canva page. It should appear similar to this. All you have to do is to choose a template for whatever you're working with. Let's say you want to design an Instagram post. Just key in the keyword in the search bar here, then click on the template. Then you should be brought to a page like this, the work area, where you can edit your photo or your picture. Now, to blend an image, you have to have two images. Now I've selected an image here. Now the next step is to click on another image, and I have it here. So let's say I don't want to use this, I want to use a different image. Let me choose this. So to blend them, the way to blend them is to reduce. I can reduce. First of all, you can remove the background. So let's first remove the backgrounds of both images. So this has been removed. I can remove the background of this for smoother blending. Good. That is if I do not want to. So once I have removed the background, we can work with this. Now I can reduce the transparency of each character depending on which one I want to be more prominent, and I can also bring this to the front. Bring to front. Good. So if I want this to be superimposed, I can do this, or let me even make it here. I can make this kind of like the background. So depending on what I want, so I can also make this less visible by changing this transparency. So the way to blend it is just change the transparency and make it less transparent, while you also match it with the other one. So you can make it like this, where the two images are visible but not quite visible. So once it's like this, I can change it. So that's just how to blend an image on Canva, or blend two images on Canva, and you have something like this where you're not sure of what you are seeing. I can just make this more visible. Okay, and we have another image entirely. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and consider subscribing to this channel for more informational content like this. Have a great day.